Before we start, let me tell you exactly who this solution is made for. This AI is built exclusively for high-performing realtors, teams, and brokerages. And if you're dealing with a flood of inbound leads, whether that's through paid ads or organic, a massive database of cold, dead leads collecting dust, or the need to respond faster to capture more opportunities, then this solution is designed specifically for you. If none of that sounds like you though, don't worry. Keep watching to see how some of the top-performing real estate professionals in the world are closing more deals today. The truth is simple. Speed to dial is everything in real estate. Studies show that responding to a lead within the first minute increases your conversions by over 391%, and that over 50% of deals go to the first responder. That's why we built a solution that responds to every lead within 30 seconds, 24/7, while also being able to dial 1,000 calls per hour. Whether it's qualifying, booking appointments, or following up, this AI works smarter and faster than any team member ever could. We've developed this in collaboration with some of the top real estate professionals globally, and we fine-tuned it to ensure it works in the real world, your world. But don't just take my word for it. Let me introduce you to my co-founder, Armin Barati. He's a key player in one of the most successful real estate teams worldwide. Armin, take it away.
Hey Sam, thanks for the intro. Let's get straight into it. These are all the use cases for our custom AI solution. We're going to be starting off with these two buckets in the beginning through your paid ads and your organic, and we will touch more on how our AI solution will be helping you with your existing database towards the end of this video. So starting off with your paid ads, this is going to be when a lead submits a lead form, whether it's through meta ads, so this can be through Facebook or Instagram, your Google pay-per-click, or your IDX forced registration website. Alternatively, leads will also be coming in through your organic socials. So this will be through your YouTube channel, your TikTok, your Instagram, your Facebook, your LinkedIn, as well as through your own organic website. Now, let's take a look at how this works in practice. Now, let's assume I'm a client who clicked on one of these ads and now I'm sitting on the lead form page. I'm going to be redirected to this form, which is going to ask my personal information, like my first and last name, my email address, and my phone number. And this is going to be in return for whatever it is that you're promising to the prospect. This could be a hot list. So they could be price lists and floor plans for a pre-construction project, condos under 500K, foreclosures, power of sales, whatever it is that you're offering the lead in exchange for their personal information. So I've already inputted my information here, and we're going to click submit and see how this AI works in real time. All right, now we're going to go ahead and submit the lead form and watch the AI in action. Now the lead form has been submitted, and we're going to wait a few moments for it to call me directly on my cell phone. Hello?
Hey, is this Armin?
Speaking. Who's this?
Hi, Armin. I'm Armin with Remax Realtron. We received your inquiry about condos for sale. What kind of units are you looking for?
I'm looking for a 2-bedroom, nothing too small though.
Got it. A 2-bedroom sounds great. Any specific area or project you're interested in?
Look, I like the downtown core, but I want to have CN Tower views. Those are non-negotiable for me.
Understood. So downtown with CN Tower views is a must for you. Do you have a budget in mind for this 2-bedroom unit?
You know, I'm a little bit tight on money, so if we can get it in that 700 to 800 range, that'd be great.
Got it. A budget of $700,000 to $800,000 for a 2-bedroom in the downtown core with CN Tower views. Great information. Let's schedule a follow-up call to discuss your needs in detail. What days work for you?
Look, I'm pretty busy. Could you just give me some information right now?
I understand you're busy, Armin. I can definitely provide some preliminary information. However, a follow-up call would allow us to discuss more specific options tailored to your needs. Would you prefer a quick overview now, or should we try to set up a shorter call?
We can just set up another call. That's fine.
Perfect. Would evenings or weekends work better for you?
I'm pretty busy this week. Could we do like next Sunday, like afternoon?
Next Sunday afternoon sounds good. How about 2 p.m.? Would that work for you?
Could you do like 12:30 p.m.?
Sure, 12:30 p.m. next Sunday it is. You'll receive an email and text confirmation for the meeting. Feel free to reach out if you need anything.
All right. Thank you so much.
My pleasure, Armin. Have a great day.
You too. Bye-bye. And just like that, the lead immediately called me within seconds of me submitting the lead form. And now I'm going to be getting a Calendly link to my text message as well as to my Gmail confirming the meeting. And it goes straight into your calendar too. So you get everything right where you need it. And just to show you guys, you can see the text message just came in, essentially booking in the call and sending me the link for the call. So that is through SMS. And then I also received it through email as well. So this is what it looks like from the prospect's end. Let's take a look at what it'll look like on your end as the agent. So we're going to go over here into the dashboard, and you're going to see my first and last name has automatically shown up here along with my email address and phone number, as well as the message that I provided in the lead form. Here we have another box that says the status, so whether the lead was qualified or they were unqualified. So if they weren't interested for whatever reason, the lead will automatically disqualify them and it won't book the appointment, saving you more time. We also have a custom lead score that's built into here out of 10. So 1 being not a really good lead and 10 being absolutely fantastic. So the system has rated me as an 8 out of 10 on the lead score. Of course, we have the full transcript here available for your viewing, but if you're in a rush, you can always take a look at the call summary here as well as the date and time of the call that had happened. And we go over here and we're going to take a look at our own custom dashboard that we also have available for our clients. So we have the number of calls gone in, the total call minutes, etc., etc. Now, this is going to be for all of your paid ads, your organic, anyone who's submitting a lead form and the system automatically calls them. What about for the people who are in your existing database? Now, a lot of realtors are going to have a lot of old leads that they haven't contacted in a really long time. These could be open house leads. They could be dead leads. So maybe you ran a pre-construction project or some kind of ad years ago and you just got hundreds of leads that are just sitting there. You never contacted them or they weren't really there, or just past clients. And we can program our system to outbound call all of these leads for you, qualify them, book, and set the appointment. These are all of the use cases for our custom AI solution.
Thank you for that, Armin. As you guys may have noticed, that AI agent was actually a professional clone of Armin's voice. This is one of our premium add-ons designed for the top 1% of realtors who want that personal touch. But don't worry if that's not for you. We've carefully curated 5 voices out of our library of over 10,000 options, so there's something perfect for every brand. Now, let's talk about how you can get started. For our first 25 clients, we're offering a special beta group rate. The setup fee is only $9.99. After setup, the monthly cost is just $3.99. And if you want to add an additional voice clone, it's only going to be an additional $9.99. This includes 500 calling minutes, on-call support, and expert consultations. The setup time is 2 weeks and then your system is ready to go. We keep our pricing transparent because we know the value of what we offer. And if this fits your needs and budget, you'll find this to be the best investment you've ever made in your business. If this sounds like exactly what you need, go ahead and book in your demo appointment below. During the call, we'll walk you through onboarding and get your AI system live as soon as possible. We hope to see you very soon, and may you never let success get to your head and failure to your heart. As always, I go by the name of Sam Rami.